You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. We're going to learn how it's pronounced in Spanish, also Portuguese, because it exists in both languages, and how it is pronounced in English, the English pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. Spanish pronunciation, azulejo, azulejo. Portuguese pronunciation, azulejo. Now, in English, it's normally pronounced as azulejo, a-zu-le-ho. Azulejo from Spanish, azulejo, or Portuguese. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.